The ZZ plant, short for Zamioculcas zamiofoliova, is a modern favourite in the world of interior design. With its waxy, deep green leaves and upright stems, it looks almost too perfect to be real. It has earned a reputation for being one of the most low-maintenance plants in existence. The ZZ plant is the only species in its genus, Zamioculcas. It belongs to the Arisaceae family, making it a relative of the pothos and monstera, though it has evolved very different survival strategies. You can identify a ZZ plant by its thick, fleshy stems and smooth, oval-shaped leaves that grow in a symmetrical pattern. The leaves have a natural high-gloss shine that makes them look permanently polished. The ZZ is a tropical perennial succulent. While it doesn't look like a cactus, it functions like one by storing massive amounts of water in its leaves and specialized underground structures. The ZZ plant is native to Eastern Africa, specifically regions like Kenya and South Africa. It evolved in areas prone to extreme weather, alternating between long droughts and heavy rainstorms. The ZZ plant is the ultimate survivor in low light. It is one of the few plants that can thrive in windowless offices or dark hallways. However, if you want it to grow faster, place it in bright, indirect light. Just keep it away from direct sun, which can burn those beautiful waxy leaves. When it comes to water, the ZZ plant thrives on neglect. Underneath the soil, the plant has rhizomes, potato-like bulbs that store water. You should only water this plant when the soil is completely dry. In many homes, watering once a month is more than enough. When shopping for a ZZ, look for stems that are straight and firm. Avoid plants with yellowing leaves or a pot that feels unusually heavy, as this could indicate the soil is waterlogged. Don't be alarmed if the pot is slightly misshapen. The strong roots often push against the plastic. The ZZ grows in slow, deliberate bursts. New stems emerge as light green spears before unfurling into dark green leaves. Maintenance is easy. Simply wipe the leaves with a microfiber cloth once a month to keep them shiny and dust-free. You can propagate a ZZ plant by dividing the bulbs or by rooting a single leaf in soil. Be warned though, rooting a leaf cutting can take up to a full year to produce a new bulb. It is a slow process, but incredibly rewarding. These plants do flower, though it is rare indoors. They produce a small cob-like flower known as a spadix at the base of the stems. Because they grow so low to the ground, they aren't meant to be flashy. They are designed for ground-level pollinators. The ZZ plant is a living fossil. Its ancestors have been on Earth for millions of years. It has survived by developing a unique ability to drop its leaves during extreme drought to preserve moisture in its underground bulbs. Beyond its beauty, the ZZ is a powerhouse at cleaning the air. It was featured in the NASA Clean Air Study for its ability to remove toxins like toluene and xylene, making it a functional addition to any bedroom or workspace. If the leaves turn yellow and the stems become mushy, you are likely overwatering. If the leaves start to drop off, the plant is too dry. The sweet spot for a ZZ is almost always to wait one extra week before you think it needs water. The ZZ plant exploded in popularity in the late 1990s when Dutch nurseries began distributing it globally. It is now a multi-million-dollar staple for nursery industry due to its high demand and unkillable branding. Like other aeroids, all parts of the ZZ plant are toxic if ingested due to calcium oxalate crystals. It's important to wash your hands after handling the plant and keep it out of reach of pets and small children. Let's recap. Zamioculcas zamiofolia is a low-light champion. It stores water in underground bulbs called rhizomes. It requires very infrequent watering. Once a month is often enough. It is an excellent air purifier, but toxic if eaten.
The ZZ is often compared to the snake plant or the ZZ raven, a stunning cultivar with leaves that turn near black as they mature. Both share the same set-it-and-forget-it care requirements.
Interesting fact. Despite myths that circulated years ago, the ZZ plant is not poisonous just to touch. While it shouldn't be eaten, it is perfectly safe to handle for repotting or cleaning.
The ZZ plant is proof that you don't need a green thumb to enjoy the beauty of nature. Its resilience and striking form make it a perfect reference point for the modern indoor gardener.